Howdy. So, thought I'd shoot this video because I have to go to the store and I need to make a mask. And I've been to Burning Man since 2002, every year except 2015. And these are the masks I make for all the dust out there. And it's really simple. So we're taking one of my regular t-shirts, right? Turn it inside out. And we take, see the seam right there? Go to the armpit. And just do a little clip. And then we rip it. Get along the seam. Because I actually want to use this t-shirt. There we go. So there's one. And this is usually good enough for the dust, right? And how this goes, we turn this back inside out, inside in, I guess. And we do this. So this would be normally good enough for being in the dust at Burning Man or whiteout. Okay, I'm going to take it one step further because now we've got a t-shirt with one sleeve. So we do the same thing on the other side. See, we start at that point. We just put a little hole right there, right at the crease. There we go. There we go. Rip along the edge. Blink. So now we've got tank top. Tank top. And we use this other one because there's this thing called COVID-19, if you've been familiar. So we're modifying our baby. So now two of these. The first one goes like this, and the second one goes like this. Pull that over. Boom. And now you've got a mask made out of a t-shirt. And if you have to, you can just take a regular if you're in a pinch, you can just take a regular t-shirt and pretty much do the same thing without cutting it. So you just put your head through the armpit and use that, and then wrap the whole thing around you. So that's my 4-minute and 22-second bit. Have fun with that.